Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace weekly on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Headspace and you will click here. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.